Space is vast. It's unforgiving. When we send a probe to Titan or a rover to Mars, we need to know they can withstand the journey. That's where understanding material properties becomes crucial. One such test, ASTM D256, tells us how tough a material is, how well it resists breaking on impact. Imagine a spacecraft entering the atmosphere or a bridge withstanding heavy winds. These scenarios involve sudden impacts. ASTM D256, specifically the Charpy impact test, helps us predict how materials will behave under these stressful conditions. It's about ensuring safety and reliability in a universe full of potential impacts. The Charpy impact test, it sounds complicated, but it's elegantly simple. Imagine a pendulum swinging down and striking a material specimen. That's the essence of this test. We measure the energy absorbed by the material to fracture. This energy absorption is directly related to the material's toughness. A tougher material absorbs more energy before breaking. Think of a car bumper. You want it to absorb the impact energy in a collision, protecting the passengers inside. The Charpy test quantifies this toughness, giving engineers a vital tool for material selection. The Charpy test is straightforward. First, we prepare a small notched specimen of the material. The notch acts as a stress concentrator, simulating a real-world flaw. Next, we secure the specimen in the testing machine. Then, the pendulum is released. The pendulum swings down and strikes the specimen with a known amount of energy. We measure the energy absorbed by the specimen during the fracture. This energy, expressed in joules or foot-pounds, represents the material's impact resistance. The results of the Charpy test are critical for material selection. High energy absorption indicates a tougher, more impact-resistant material. This is crucial for applications where sudden impacts are expected. Lower energy absorption suggests a more brittle material, prone to fracture under stress. Understanding these results empowers engineers to make informed decisions. They can select materials best suited for specific applications, whether it's a spacecraft designed to withstand micrometeoroid impacts or a bridge built to withstand hurricane-force winds. The Charpy impact test, a seemingly simple test, plays a vital role in our quest to explore and understand the universe around us.